Gilgit, Baltistan, is known as the third pole due to its largest glaciated area after the poles. The ecology of the region, including biodiversity, climate variations, and water resources, all depends on the glaciers of the region. Glaciers are the lifelines of this region that needs to be protected, reared, and nurtured. The glaciers in the Himalayas are under rapid melting, similar to other glaciers across the globe. There are satisfactory signs of mass balance and growth in certain parts of the Karakoram glaciers. The mass balance and ablation rate of glaciers resulting in flood disaster and or water scarcity are major impacts of climate change. Floods or water scarcity leads to multiple ecological and socio-economic hazards. The indigenous glacier growing techniques would be the direct method to control impacts of climate change at micro level, which, if multiplied, has the potential to stabilize the ecology at regional level, contributing to global sustainable development goals on climate change. There are 4 indigenous traditions of growing ice reservoirs: glacier grafting, ice towering, avalanche harvesting, cascaded frozen ponds. Here we present a case study of the Qomra Ice Tower 2023-24 made by the GLOF-II project University of Baltistan in collaboration with local community. Qomra is a rural settlement neighbouring Skardu city at a distance of 22 kilometres from Skardu through Kawado Bridge. Qomra Union Council has a population of 6,600. The whole population is divided into 2 parts for water source Nulla, fed by small springs, and snowmelt water, without any permanent glacier source upstream. The Ora part of Qomra is the primary and direct beneficiary of the ice tower that has a population 3,500 and depends upon the Hado Nala watercourse. The ice tower is made in the Hado Nala for Oro region. Total farmland area of Oro region is about 3,000 kanal, while the arable barren land area is about 12,000 canals. The water management system is locally and traditionally managed with a network of water storage ponds, small channels, and timetable of water distribution from these storage ponds. Soil is highly fertile, and the first 2 successful or otherwise watering during April decides the fate of crops. The community farmers are very happy this year and thankful to the University of Baltistan and GLOF-II for making an irrigation-scale ice tower that almost doubled the water flow and storage during March and April.
büyük abdel kununun ayağına bellikan izbat büyük aşın azafa sonfi.
Galmi oma çün azafa owen gwenyeju.
Nusin ayşin kunla açana da fasil abad gwa शुरू sonset.
इस साल यहाँ पे कोमरा नाला हार्दो में नवंबर के एंड में इंस्टॉल किया था। इस वक्त जो आइसटोपा जो है तकरीबन 200 से 250 फुट इसका हाइट बन चुका है।
Ayağına diğer po açada gulaf fonsi mansuamine ayağı diğer po suspin. Lekin ati jongu tanzim ne इसकी देखभाल अच्छा मार्च तक कमेटी से ना पहुंची ध्यान में दुफी
क्योंकि लोगों को इस चीज़ का शूर हो गया। ये करगिल में, लद्दाख में, बल्तिस्तान में हर जगह ये कामयाब हुए हैं और लोग भी अपने मदद आपके तहत भी ये प्रोजेक्ट जो है आगे चला सकते हैं।
आपको अंचन शुक्रगुजार होता
UNDP और GLOF-II प्रोजेक्ट बल्तिस्तान यूनिवर्सिटी का मशकूर और ममनून हूँ।
या जो दियो या खुदा तुरी दी मेहरबानी है याला दी नियामत बसोबिन सिस्कियत से दुसे
Ice towers are the ice masses created through natural process of freezing water during the winter in areas where the average atmospheric temperature remains below 0 degrees Celsius for 3 to 4 months, that is November to February. The solid water reservoir in form of ice mount thus becomes a water source for drinking and irrigation during the early spring months, where there is acute shortage of water in many villages, having no glacier source upstream or having glacier far away. There are small or bigger springs along the watercourses of almost all villages settled above the rivers and along the riverine nullahs where the settlements are populated. During winter, most of these smaller springs goes percolated in the debris and does not reach the village population. When such water sources are channeled through pipes and showered finely through gravity pressure at a suitable site, yes, it forms ice towers that grows by accumulation during the winter months. This ice reservoir then gradually melts with increasing temperature and serves the water need of early spring months. Communities have initiated such ice towers by themselves on self-help basis. After successful pilot experiments, the University of Baltistan GLOF-II project started irrigation-scale ice towering during the 2023. The ice towers, with reservoirs of around 2 million cubic feet ice, are taken as irrigation-scale ice towers. In a 2023-24 harvest, 4 ice towers have been successful in achieving estimated ice reservoir of volume over 2 million cubic feet in mid-March, when ambient temperatures start rising above zero. The 4 irrigation-scale ice towers being harvested in spring 2024 are Qomra, Oro, Skadu district, installed in 2023. Haldi, Gangche, installed in 2023. Tse Se Thang Kamang, installed in 2022-23 and upgraded for 2023-24. Machulu Gangche, upgraded in 2022-23 and relocated in 2023-24.
इस वक्त हम टेल पे मौजूद है इस टावर के, जो फार्मेशन के स्टेज में हैं, और आज धूप भी निकल रही है और हम देख रहे हैं कि जो शावर है वो बिल्कुल आसमान में उछाल रही है और बर्फ़ भी पिघल रहा है।